This is Steve with Boats of Dallas, and I'm taking a look today on June the 6th, 2023 of this 2020 Regal 35 Sport Coupe. Great looking boat. I love the colors. It's kind of a light gray, light pewter color. It does have the hard top with the convertible top, full canvas enclosure. Get around this. Bow cushions up front, windlass anchor. It's got everything. Get around to the other side here. These docks are pretty big. Nice extended swim platform. Does have the track vision system. No damage or anything. All right, next video will be inside.